Hello everyone, you are watching Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. Today we can discuss oh, division programming using servlets and JSP. In servlets and JSP, how to implement division programming. We can discuss this one. First, you can create the project, go to File, click New, select Dynamic Web Project. Here I will write division, DASY and division servlet. Click next, and selecting web.xml file, click finish. I created this one. I will, so now it's loading. Here I will open first web.xml file. I will remove all files. I will remove all lines except this one. I will change this one. I will change to division. Division. I will change to division. I will create the JSP. Right click. Select JSP division. DAVASAON division. I think better to copy paste any spelling mistakes or something. Right click JSP, will copy paste. This is a better can done any spelling mistakes that time again I need to check everything. Here header I need to change header value. Change header value here also. I will change this text to division DIVAS division. This will display heading of the application. Here you can see here. Let's see multiplication programming in servlets and this. Here is displayed. That purpose we are writing this one. Division. Same thing is there. I will show you division also, how to change that one. I will write the header H1 division program. I will put align equal to center. Line equal to center. I will write form action. Here I will write table format table. I will write tr. Here I will write td. Enter the first value. Enter the first value. Again I will write another td. Write another td. I will write another td. Here I will write input type equal to text, name equal to first value. Like this, I will copy paste this one. I will copy paste. Copy paste this one. I will copy this line and paste here. Here I need to change the second value. Second value here also I need to change second value. Second value. Now I need to copy paste here. I will copy paste this one. Here I will remove these things. I will remove these things. Here I will write column span equal to 3. So write column span equal to 3. Here I need to write submit button. Submit button. Here I will change value. Y means you need to display the button name division. Button name, that means button need to display the button name division. Submit. Like this we are using. I will run this application. What is the output it will display? Here also I will write align center. I will write align center. This table also I will align center. This table also I will align center. We can run this one. What happened? Right click, run as, run on server. Select this application, click next, finish, restart the server. See here how many applications are running. It will show here only. Division is coming. I need center this one. That's why what I need to do, I will write here, I will write align equal to center. I will write copy this one. In TR, I will write align equal to center. Now we can check alignment is changed to center or C. Align equal to coming center. Now I will create the, you can see here division here multiplication. And write here division program, it will display division program within display here. We need to refresh this one. See, division program display. That's why it's, suppose, wait, I will show you one more thing. I will remove this one. I will remove this one. See here, you can observe here division is there. I will remove this value. We'll remove this value. We can do what happened. You can just refresh. Submit query display. Just you can write submit means it will come submit. I will do this one. It will come which name we need, that is displayed here. That's why I am returning a name value. Name means it will display. Name means you need to access some other place. That means this you can enter this way, enter any value. That value we can read some other places. That's why we are writing name. But I will create the one servlet class. Right click, go to others. Here servlet is not showing. That's why I'm going to others, servlet. Next, here I need to write package name form.jst. Here I need to write class name, division, so division servlet. Division servlet, click next. Click next. I will remove the post. Click finish. Servlet is created. This I will remove comments. No need comments. No need. I will remove comments. I will also this one also remove comments. I will this one also no need. I will remove this one. And I will write string first value equal to request dot get parameter. Here what need to do? Parameter. Get parameter. Request dot get parameter. You can go this space. You can copy this one. You can copy this one. You can paste here. That means that is mapping the UI to backend. Similarly, I will write another second value request dot get parameter. Here we can go JSP page, copy this one, paste here. This is the now I will convert int first value to convert to string to integer. That's why we are using integer dot pass int first value. Similarly, int second value is equal integer dot pass int. This is the second value. We need to set second value. Now we can int res result equal to, here we need to write 0 first. I will like this. If first value then second value, here res is equal to first value divided by second value. second value. Here we need to write else res is equal to second value by first value. This one I will write like this. Now I will set the value request dot set attribute. Here I will write result result result. Here we need to convert into string value into integer value into string value. Actually, this is not an integer. This is, we need to give double. That means division that will come double. Sometimes it will come double. Points it will come. That's why I need to write here. I need to write string dot value of res. This is we are setting value into the attribute. Next again request dot request dispatcher. Request dispatcher here I need to write result dot JSP. Result dot JSP. Then we need to forward this one. We need to forward request response. This is for forwarding. I need to create one JSP result.jsp page. Go here, right click in web app, select web new and the JSP. Click next, finish. I will copy and paste this one, everything. I will remove this one, this part only I will remove. Here I will write equal to request or EQUE request dot get attribute. What here is mentioning in this one, here in this attribute, set attribute, this one, you can copy this one, you can paste here. Here, division of two values is, yes, the division of two values is this one. Alright, we are writing. What need to write? Need to return back anchor tag. Anchor hreffer equal to here I'll write it's a division dot JSP. Here I will write method. I will copy paste this one here. Method is the input method. I will copy and paste this one. I will copy time conjunction purpose. I am doing this one, but don't do this one. But I am doing time conjunction. Submit back. Don't copy and paste. You can write manually. That is a good practice for your this one. Why means I'm time taking. That's why I'm returning like this. Text declaration none. Text declaration none. I will put center of this one is copy center. Right center here. Close here center. I will close center. I will open center here. I will close center here. This way we can write this one. Now we can restart the server and we can check output is coming or not properly. Now we can right click, run as server, select the server, next, finish. Restart the server. Automatically application will open. I done one mistake. I will show that one, what I need to show. See here, we need to change, we need to write the action tag. That's why here we need to write action name equal to this one. We need to write URL pattern also, comma URL pattern. URL pattern. This one, same thing. Copy this one. We paste here. Paste here. Now we can restart. Name URL pattern. Okay, that's enough. Need to restart this one. What is the output will come? We can click select server. Next, finish. Okay. page automatically it will open. Yeah, now application is open. Now enter this one. 23. You can give 25. You can give 25. What happened? You can this. You can click division. It will come 4.0. Click back here. Same back is same here. I will change back. We will put BR for here. BR means break the line. Now again I will reload this one. I will give 10. Oh no, I will give 5 here. I will give here 25. What will display? 5.0. Click back. It is coming back. So this way, we can implement the division. That means division programming using servlets and JSP. These are the division programming. Friends, I am requesting, could you please subscribe my channel? I will give very good programming, and no one not providing this type of programs I will provide. I think no one not providing division, addition, subtraction programming in servlets and JSPs. Similar. Spring Boot also addition subtraction program is there. I will provide remaining programs also. I think nobody not provide this type of thing. This is a basic understanding the application, how each application need to implement. This is a basic programming. We need to implement this type of programming. You can easily understand the application. You can easily implement the application. That's why I am providing this type of applications in using servlets, JSP, Spring Boot. I will provide this one. Could you please subscribe my channel and support me? Thank you for watching Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. We will meet next video.